Alright, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 229. It's Zenith Bin. Sold out and everybody paid. Thank you guys. We got Cash, we got Linda, TJ, Slyman, my new favorite name to say. We got John Bull, Kaz, Aaron, Shane Dog, the new guy Kyle, who just won a nice refund in the card on my Monday night shenanigans. We got Matt, we got LC, we got Crunch. Welcome back, bud. We got Brian, and there we go. Factory sealed box of Zenith. See if I can pull anything but a stupid epics out of the Dare to Tear. I pulled like 6 in a row, 7 in a row. Oh, and I didn't even show the serial, did I? Oops. Ending in 364. I'm off my game. Giant checklist. Giant tear. Ten packs. Empty box. Floor. Alright, let's get something good here. Jordan Stahl, Marchant, Ronick. A mem card in the first pack. We got David Backus and TJ Oshie. And for the Minnesota Wild, Martin Hablat. White swatch. Not numbered. Winter Warriors. Cards in good condition. Yeah, I got a decades thing going on. I got bringing in some new eBay bidders, so I got a decades thing going on eBay right now. So Brian Rowe, Bobby Ryan, Brizgaloff, Gifted Grinders for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and John Bull. You got Ryan Malone. Not numbered. Spacer. Mason and Giroux. Looks like another mem in this one. Ryan Malone. Oh, hello. We got a case hit. For the Washington... Oh, God, I can't even talk. For the Washington Capitals. Yours truly. Varlamov. Semyon Varlamov. Nice. Not numbered. I like how they're like black and white on the back, so it's different. Oh, there we go. Hard auto. Oh, the card is actually some indentations. Looks like he hit it with a pen. It's got a couple of scratches on it, but there you go. And crease is the word for the Detroit Red Wings of Jimmy Howard. Spacer, Gabrick and Slay. Gagne, Rollison, Guy, Parise, and Shea Weber. Base pack. Boo. Optimus Rhyme. Letang, Ray Bork, Spacer, Johnson, and Camel Toe. Another base pack. Boo. Dion, Alfredson, Brett Hall. What is going on? Spacer, Green, and Tim Thomas. Boo. Got a red hot of Jordan Stahl for Pittsburgh and Crunch 38. There you go, bud. And we got a Travis Moran rookie card for Dallas and Casualty. Number 84 of 999. So there you go, Kaz. You got a Dallas rookie. Boucher and Fleury. 3 packs left. Mosaics, and this one we got Shane Doan, we got Matt Duchesne, we got for the Colorado Avalanche and John Bull, we got a Mosaics of Gagliardi, Stastny, and Duchesne. Oh, nice. And we got a rookie card jersey. That's pretty sweet. And it is. Casually talked you into buying the Rangers, and hello to the Norwegian Hobbit. Rookie roll call jersey of Mats Zuccarello. Norwegian Hobbit from Matt. There you go. 2 packs. I don't believe they're numbered. Nope. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Brodeur, Anderson, Schultz, Holy base packs, Ham, Houston, Vanek. It's like a 3 or 4 base packs, isn't it? Yeah, he bolted alright. Oh, something interesting in this one. Sardine Sister, Mazzaros. Yeah. It looks like we got a, oh no. It's a rookie card. Rookie roll call for the Chicago Blackhawks and Slyman. Corey Crawford. Not bad. Corey Crawford rookie card. Rookie roll call. Those are not numbered. There you go, bud. Spacer. Ooh. Bokun and Kessler. Well, let's get on to the big boy here. Who's she gonna be? Oh, we got a sardine in the house. Henrik flavored. So, off with his head. Is it gonna be another Epics? It looks like it. Yeah, oh God. Epics for the Buffalo Sabres and Casualty. Thomas Vanek. Man, my luck at Dare to Tear sucks. But there you go. That's not a bad box, guys. So, thank you for your bids, and I'll see you tonight for my Tuesday Titanium shenanigans.